Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Avinda Saputra from Group G. Today, together with my group members,
And my name is Muhammad Bagus Arif Wicaksono.
we are going to take you on a short trip around the historical old town of Semarang, or as we call it, Kota Lama. This area is called Kota Lama, also known as the Little Netherlands because of its Dutch-style buildings. It's a popular place to relax, take photos, and enjoy the historical atmosphere. The park makes it even more comfortable for visitors to walk around and chill. Look at it. It's a beautiful park. A perfect mix of old vibes and modern life. This is my friend.
Hi. This is Jiwasraya Building. Jiwasraya Building is cultural heritage which located on Legend Suprapto Street, Semarang, right in front of the Blue Cross. Built in colonial Dutch architectural style, it features a central dome and symmetrical facade. It was one of the first modern buildings in Semarang and the first in Java to have an elevator, although it's no longer functional since the 1970. Originally the official of Nilmei, Indonesian first life insurance company founded 1859. The building is now being transformed into a hotel.
This is the Spiegel Building. Spiegel Building is one of the iconic landmarks in Kota Lama Semarang, built in the late 19th century. It features European style architecture with large windows and thick red brick walls. Originally, it was a general store owned by Hewy Spiegel, a wealthy merchant of his time. Today, the building has been restored and now functions as a cafe and restaurant, while preserving its original designs. It's a favorite photo spot thanks its classic colonial charm.
This area is called Kota Lama, also known as Little Netherlands because of its Dutch-style buildings. It's a popular place to relax, take photo, and enjoy the historical atmosphere. The park makes it even more comfortable for visitors to walk around and chill. Look at it. A perfect mix of old vibes and modern life. My friend.
The building in the picture is the Wiskammer Building, one of the historical buildings in Semarang Old Town or Kota Lama. This building used to function as the heritage hall during the Dutch colonial era. Currently, the Wiskammer Building is one of the tourist attractions in Semarang Old Town, known for its distinctive colonial architecture.
Hi guys, I'm now in front of the Marba buildings, one of the most famous spots in Kota Lama Semarang. This building was built in the late 1800 and a school European style. It was once owned by a merchant named Mariano Barbosa. That's why it's called Marba. Today, it's popular photo spot and the symbol of Semarang's colonial history. Don't miss it if you visit Kota Lama Semarang.
The historic building at the end of Brenjengan Street, facing the main road of Kota Lama Semarang, was once the office of MC Neil and Company, a company that had been established since the early 19th century. When the This trading company, Match Lane and Company, which was also involved in the coffee plantation business in the Salatiga, Surakarta region, decided to open an agency in Semarang in 1823. They chose to partner with and occupy this building. Later on, the building also served as the British Vice Consulate and the office of the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation (HBC). Match Lane and Company eventually transformed into Match Lane, Watson and Company and continued operating until the 1960s.
Behind me is one of the most famous landmarks here at Gereja Belenduk. It's a popular spot for both tourists and photographers because of its classic artistic and historical value.
Okay, just a moment ago, the center of Kota Lama was super crowded. There were so many visitors and even a group of elementary school kids doing a study tour. It was noisy. It was very, very noisy, but fun and full of energy. Now, if moved to a quieter spot, it feels so different, calm, peaceful, and perfect to taking a short break before the continued trip in very, very crowded. Okay, this is my friend. Hi.
This old building in Kota Lama Semarang was once the home of Pichron Sam & Co., the official agents of Liverpool and London and Global Insurance Company Limited, a powerful conglomerate formed by three major insurance companies: Liverpool Fire and Life Insurance, Edinburgh and Dublin Insurance Company, and Globe Insurance Company. Now it's abandoned, but its stories still whisper through the walls.
This is one of the many quiet alleys hidden in Kota Lama Semarang. With its all walls and peaceful silence, it feels like time has slowed down here. A perfect spot to pause, reflect, and feel the quick calm of the past.